Hey there! In this video we are going to practice hearing musical intervals, and today we will only focus on the perfect fourth, the perfect fifth, and the tritone. I totally understand that training all of the intervals at once can feel a bit overwhelming, so let's just focus on these three first. That way your ears and mind can really get used to the difference between them. Training your musical ear is also very important because it helps you sing in tune, it helps you recognize melodies more easily and become a more confident musician overall. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. All right, let's get started. First, I will let you hear the three different intervals. And first, we're going to start with the perfect fourth. You can remember this melody by singing "Here Comes the Bride." Or if you are Dutch, it is the beginning of our national anthem. Wilhelmus van Nassau, blah, 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 blah. All right, so that is the perfect fourth. Ha ha. All right, next we have the tritone. And this one sounds dissonant. And here is a fun fact about this tritone, this super tense and spooky interval. The Simpsons. That's the start of The Simpsons. But that was not my fun fact. The fun fact is that we also know this tritone as a diabolus in musica, or the devil in music. And in medieval times, it sounded so dissonant that the composers avoided it, especially in church music, because some even thought it was spiritually dangerous. You know, this devil tone. But these days, it is a favorite in film music, jazz, and metal. But back then, it was not so welcome in the choir loft or church. Okay, and then we have the perfect fifth. Ha ha. And there are some tricks to hear if this is a fifth. That is, if you can sing back a chord. I mean this. Ha 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 ha. Or for the Lord of the Rings fans out there, this is also the horn of Rohan. Ha ha. Okay, well, now that you heard all of these intervals, we are going to try to hear them in a test. Okay, so we have the perfect fourth, the tritone, and the perfect fifth. So remember this tritone. This is the one that sounds very dissonant. So if you have a feeling like, I don't get it, doesn't sound pretty, it's not ugly, but it's not pretty. It's not like this. It's so perfect. Or this. So perfect. That's why they call it the perfect fourth or the perfect fifth. But this, not so perfect. Kind of devilish. Kind of spooky. I don't know. They were scared of this like 500 years ago. Okay, let's begin and train those ears. Here we go. The first one is this one. This was a perfect fourth. This is a perfect fifth. Another perfect fifth. A perfect fourth. And I'll bet you're all wondering, when is she gonna play that devil tone? I don't know if I want to do it. I'm scared. No, I'm not. Okay, here it goes. This one's for me. Hear the difference? This is the tritone, the devil's note. All right, another one. This was a tritone. A perfect fourth. Another perfect fourth. The tritone. This was a perfect fifth. All right, I'm gonna do it a bit quicker now. Here we go. Perfect fourth. Tritone. Perfect fourth. Perfect fourth. Perfect fifth. Tritone. Perfect fifth. All right, I hope that you learned something today, and I hope that those ears are happy. And if you have a friend or a family member, just ask them to play some random stuff on the piano and try to guess, try to hear what you hear. And remember to keep producing sound. So keep singing the notes that you hear. That really helps to activate the voice. So your brain has to activate and has to work together with those vocal cords, and those vocal cords gotta know what to do, and those ears gotta hear if the pitch is correct. So there's a lot to do at once. But just keep on practicing, and I will assure you, you will get better. Okay, that was it for today. See you around on some of my other practice videos. I also have a practice video with all of the intervals, but also some others with the minor and major second and the minor and major third. So, there's work on the store, like we say in the Netherlands. Werk aan de winkel. Sounds weird. Yeah. Anyway, see you around. Goodbye, folks. Goodbye.